welcome again to another edition of my new YouTube channel. Thanks for all my subscribers, thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments, and hi guys, how are you? Oh, the light on my face looks so not enough color. But yeah, it's a lovely day. It's a bit cold. So, as much as I want to go out, I think I'm going to refrain from doing so. Yeah? I will just stay in my house, have a cup of tea, be the introvert that I am, and just look through my window and watch the world through my my mobile phone, my smart device. But yeah, the internet, me not know Queenie and Dowey make the internet sweet, you know. We can't get rid of Queenie now. We're gonna have to deal with Queenie for 40 days and 40 nights. And it probably is gonna be more than 40 days and 40 nights because remember said we cannot upload nothing on social media. So he cannot have a personal life after Queenie. He cannot do anything and upload it because anytime upload anything with any other female, you know the one and only is gonna get crazy. No, sir. Queenie is so 16. Mears mother cause Queenie while I went to say mother was lesbian night to the man. Then not what. So lesbo just the anyway, I wish you all the best. I wish you people all the best, and I wish you can have calm in your life. I wish you can have peace and tranquility in your life. I wish you nothing but goodness and grace and mercy. Let me God not fight now, but most people now tell us happy, live your life, but you people associate yourself with so many negative things. So when things come back to bite you, like, duh, you put yourself in that situation. Why couldn't you be an introvert like me? I don't go anywhere. I like to stay in my house and drink tea. Even if I have a real nephew, my first choice is tea. But I might have some real nigga today. But I love my company. I love in my house. I'm paying my bills. I'm paying all my bills. So I'm now run out of my house because now that's peace.
Disgrace.
Sometimes when I watch these people online, I wonder if they were ever friends to begin with. I'm wondering if they were ever friends to begin with because how can you and your friends, I don't even know what to say about this because why? Cutie talk up the things and it might be true, it might not be true, I don't know. Queenie, say what you have to say. It might be true, it might not be true, and I still don't know. But I'm just saying people need to be careful of the company that they keep and the type of things that they do around others. You have to be careful of the things that you do around others. Nothing is a secret if anybody else knows about it apart from you. Something is only a secret when it's only in your head. And sometimes some friendship, people share so much between themselves, but there is no loyalty because they just turn against each other. Let's listen.
Snack. Oh my God. I would let me. All them eating them me did I run from. But I take all of them right now. The cock over run. I try run through the wall from. Fucking hell. Back. Ross, I miss you too.
But remember the girl you argue with, we say your kids a big pussy, dirty, workless woman. You and me know say my pitney them well taken care of and no shot and nothing. You and your pitney them come and my yard come pack gross straight and my blood clot and my pitney them younger than your blood clot pitney. Cause none of them they reach them 20s yet in fact. Do you understand where me I come from? And you come here with your bag of blood clot, big gigantic blood clot pitney them una beg, una scrape, una in a cupboard and a pack out, one emanation shopping, who want money, who want this. Hold back from blood clot you. You're evil. You walk and call my name to your husband and tell her, boy, me pussy to you. Your dirty pussy picture. Like me and you rub clit together. I know me and her rub clit. Are you and her? You understand where I come from? No, but the truth. Are you and her? I know me and her rub blood clot clit. So if anybody for have your pussy picture, it's going to be you, Betty Boo, not me. At the end of the day, okay, well, when me I do with our picture, me and I never rub clit. That's I'm just giving you an example. You understand? So if anybody ever have it should be one our woman them we share up click with, which is you. On top of that as well, yes, we left it. You see me a type. Me I go about my business. Bitch, you been jumping in every blood clotting with me. Me see a type and a post up from blood clot when I'm gonna look on your fat on your shit on you. So the blood clot, you think say you can't come chat to. Oh, where, when, oh. Bye.
Morning, Cutie.
Morning.
I can't finish no Cutie.
No, you know me not blood clot done. You can't come for beg for blood clot gangster. Come here. No. Remember me and you strong and talk. You did tell me about the fucker or she take all your blood clot money to and fuck up your blood clot breast. Please, come here.
No, I'm not about sheep. I'm about sheep.
No, listen, please. Betty, please. Make your blood clot done. You mention me picking them. You don't know some you're gonna bring down our blood clot. She did. Go back over Juju, please. Go back over Juju page. Listen me to me good. Betty Boo. Go back over Juju page. Me know that. That's why you can't. You're not supposed to know you can't call and beg for none of blood clot them. Cause you see, one day in January when me did that done her, and me did a Ghana and Nas call my phone. Nas turned and said to me, say, make me call mommy and you talk to her cutie, please, because I don't want to have no argument publicly. She called her mother and put her mother up on the phone. I said to her, I say, you love jumping a blood clot things with me. I'm going to see you over there. I'm going to put the woman in her place and follow with each other. You understand where I come from? We'll go separate ways. Youngster know me liquor in our blood clot. I don't give a fuck. You understand where I come from? On top of that as well, we left it. Bygones be bygones. Bitch, you in every blood clotting with me. Say, me in a comment section, I laugh and fire and I type of me, I type and I say, oh, your blood clot wicked because you send man for rob me. And I know blood clot like that, so I'm a boxing in your blood clot is. Why your fucking problem? Me tell everybody.
That snack it out. I miss you.
No when for blood clot done. Me can't wait. Bust a shot, Queenie. Bust a shot. Me quick here if your rifle a work round the R one. So me can't fire back. Please, me can't take the one pop and that's it. You need a matic. You need fling off your matic. Make me fling off pan, you know, please. Come here, a bag of things more and release. But just a warm up. Come here, know all you want notice my comment like me and your friend from now. Me and no blood clot friend. Last time I dis up your blood clot in January and put in your blood clot, please. Oh, you want notice everybody class in the comment section. Every day the people them class or your workplace and all these things. Man clone, yeah, made all these things and tell you, oh, yeah, you're the only person that shot husband and the man know why you are. The truth hurt. Why come and say you're wicked and evil? Because you are. You know you are, bitch. Because you try set me up how much blood clot time. Yard foreign and abroad. You try set me up wicked, dirty, careless, nasty woman. Fungus front girl. Hey.
For that.
That's why I see things reach her. I know her calm. I sit down there and laugh. I say, you're calmer. You have a lot of crosses to deal with. You have a lot of things where you sit down and set up and do.
You have a lot to deal with. Me know me can't help her, you know. Me can't help her. I could have helped her one time. I can't help you again, mama. I tell you the honest truth.
Why do it? The best thing I can say to you, you need to just avoid it and leave it and get on with your life and do it. I'm not gonna lie. You have a whole life ahead of you. You can get so much out of life. You're the America right now.
And for that.
That's why I see things reach her. I know her calm. I sit down there and laugh. I say, you're calmer. You have a lot of crosses to deal with. You have a lot of things where you sit down and set up and do.
You have a lot to deal with. Me know me can't help her, you know. She don't even want to fuck her, touch her, nothing. And she don't even know. You see me? Because I see the type of woman she is. You go around there rich people with them money, and you set them up. I saw she did want to groom me, you know. I saw she did groom my mama, but she couldn't groom me them way. Me am one bad man. I don't go on my thing, I do my one crime. Fucking self. I don't want to have nobody around me when me know can love chat off them mouth.
Life. So she did come me and tell me about man call her and said to her, say he must bring she in a me for him get for right me.
I do them thing. And so she don't want to look bad. She take herself out like you know that.
Look at that.
Mama, me never want fuck her, touch her, nothing. And she never question me. So come here and say, you, she, our daughter, and my boy, they are DR, my two man. I want to be cool, man.
Okay. So you hear when we did DR, you hear about the burglary?
Me hear everything.
Okay, and hear what?
Nothing.
And that burglary there,
Nothing.
them got a wrong house. And that may I show you. So straight away, I didn't know I'm a sister, I'm a mother in here with my kids. Straight away, she don't know, say me a prayer. I don't get the phone call and them say the camera them on. Them say the next door neighbor just come and say them need my camera, them need your camera. So send them the recordings, I give with the logins. I say it up on my son's phone. And them turn to me and say people come for burger the house, some black boys a while ago, and them see it on my camera. And we watch it and everything. And me I watch the camera and I say, it's weird that me there DR with gangster now. Our man and our pitney and me I do my surgery. And somebody attempt for breaking our house next door. And the people them next door are white people, them not big sweet black people. I was the only black person in this village. So me I'm not idiot.
Yeah.
How far me live doing me not living at the ghetto?
Yes, Mama, you have to tell me, man, see a thing in a Mama, that's easy, you know?
So for you even hear about it and she said she know what she's doing. When the second
Mama, she know what she had do. She know everything what she had do. I tell her something, Mama. You see she, that lady, God and live. You see that lady, she not go around nobody wearing, she can't get a clout off her right now. From me know her. You hear that?
yeah, which
Right now, any man.
Guys, towards the end of the this previous clip with Dewey, I don't think Dewey as a man shouldn't be discussing Queenie with anyone, because at the end of the day, he's a big man and he's the one that chose to put himself in that position. He had an idea what Queenie was like because of him going to Queenie inbox and look the woman. So he do it for just hold back and just go and bill and do him thing and stop chatting the woman, man. The point I'm making is that he doesn't, as a man, he doesn't need to come out and talk certain derogatory things about Queenie. Like, he should just build back and stop behaving like a child, because this behavior is quite childish, where he's going to everyone like trying to disgrace the woman, like more. Yes, we could say Queenie caused it on herself, but gosh, man, as a man, you need to do better. I'm not saying that Queenie need to control herself as well, because Dewey has a life after her, and regardless, she helped him. She gave him a push start. Nobody can deny that. Dewey cannot deny that either. But she has to know that he's gonna have a life after her, and him posting his life online. She can't afford to let that affect her as much as she's hurting. She has to just try and move past that, because she don't expect that now that she's out of the picture, he's not gonna be doing anything online. Although she said he's not a social media person and he didn't want to be in all the social media. Well, she brought him in it, and now he has gotten used to it, and he has seen the value of being on social media. Financial wise, I'm talking. So Queenie have to find a way to try and ignore whatever pictures and those things whether we put up. If he hasn't said anything to her, like if he hasn't said anything to others, like keep on a chatter with other people, but if he put pictures up and so forth, Queenie have to just ignore those things, because she have to just call it a loss. You know, she tried to help someone who they don't want. That's not what they want. Dewey never want Queenie to begin with. Dewey was looking at opportunity, and Queenie have to just try, and as difficult as it is, Queenie just have to find a way to move on from that, because it don't ban that already.
I choose Saga function, so should shame him. You shame say you breed and get a married blood clot bastard baby. Me I go forever cast a baby bastard. All the baby mother poison to if me can me eat the whole on them. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, eight, 9 times. We eat them 8.5 plus 9 times. I'm afraid of them. You know what good about this skin mix up? I sat and listened to that lady for herself. It's when she said, yes, our son step in it. So your son step in it and take it, put it back on the grill. I shame them because I print them out how they used to treat my bad. She never expect me to talk or them treat me back. So she come with her decent undercover general self king mix up my ball, you know. I think the boy they do my bad, but the woman worse king mix up. When me hear the things them. Listen, she tell me not to help him. You know, here she said King mix up. She said she never had go file for him through me married to him. And Francis see him get England visa, America visa, and Canada visa. I still come to run up now and start banting me. The woman wicked me afraid of her. But King mix up, tell her that me say the people that was she work with, I feed them money to her teeth while she could have come aboard so she buy house in 3 years. 3 years? You know how much money them pay for clean people or for look about people so that you can buy a house brand new and then I go tell me I shop it. The whole away all thief, all cunning, all scammer. Even though I never scam it. But I used to do shoplifting. Or that you really come play good and nice. If you're decent, you would come to do your door decent. Or that you shame me. And I cuss for address. When me live at Jamaica King mix up. Me live at Dewey address and that's where I'm married from. Now the same address upon the something sign. In previous address them wicked. You don't want some ever address America. I don't have no address because them not code me. And when I ask the son for the address, they give me half fights. I Google the rest. But I burn them to me, beat them to the divorce. That is what happens. I beat them to it. And when they say I'm mad over cake, you know why I'm going mad over the cake? Because 3 days ago you're supposed to sign something official and you never have the decency to tell me. But then you have cake I put up, so will you marry me? And me you still not married. So it's not tearing in the summer to rip me apart. Me have feelings King mix up my ball. And get back fresh and pretty. And that's why she ate my card. Me catch her and I text her ask do we give me the long. And I said, do that is not appropriate. So your mother can ask you if you sleep with me or not. But every time me and him attack, do we record me? So if me a customer say, suck your mother, he record me and she hear. I never use rude to that woman yet. Any rude I'm rude to her upon the internet. But she don't eat me because her son record me. Each time me and her son have something. Alright, King Mixer, look how life hard. Him put up my address. I shouldn't adjust none of that, and it's still there on him page. And my page black them report my page and black my page. But film page still over there with my address on it, and his mother come and say my mother help her bad. Afraid of the whole of them. You hear me say? My mother help her ball. Nobody never threaten my mother. Them send the threat. The man say, stop calling it other name on the internet because we know it's why your mother live at Portsmouth. I'ma come up, I wake up the morning and I said, I never said nobody threaten my mother. Them send it through me. So when you go call my mother now, and my mother go ball on my baby on internet. My mother can't stop me from baby what I want baby. And I said, I should cuss on it. So you gotta sit down, ma'am. I make Dewey and the mother tear me down. And nobody could defend me. What a good thing I could have defend myself. I'm a terrible and awful and true I can't defend myself. The whole I sit down and allow them. You think them could have called my fort? People tell I send me a ball to them? Not even that them would even get. But God is able. With God, all is possible. I wonder which church me shit pan. It's heart-rending enough. When me think this I done, and me look, me see the big careless woman who says she rich and she work back to back. Woman, that's a principle. And I go tell me, say, him take plane and nothing. But for you buy house scheme and make him take plane and put him in an Airbnb. Are you make do what this and have no respect for woman? Are you turn him in a miss girl? Because you know have no girl put there, so you put him in a ribbon and clip and bando. And make him disrespect me from top of all of him. Because what? Him don't have a mother to say to him, say, Dwayne, you're married to this drunker. Get the drunker and he will talk to her. It hurt me so much. Me hate them. Me hate the husband, me hate the woman, me hate the brother, me hate her sister them, me hate her auntie, her cousin, me hate everybody for them. Me hate all the name when I have, but she hate me for. But God go with you know. I forgive you know. But you come on internet, I come talk about me a liar. Me not tell lie, woman. If me exaggerate, me exaggerate. You eat your own son know that. I have all the things to talk. There a lady out, 1, 2 to talk. I said, maybe 3 or 4 times for the day. So if somebody be 3 or 4 times for the day, what I tell about that person? That person is a clean person and an OCD person. And it hurt me, I mean, on the house and I see my mess. And I sit down there and take a spread and tell everybody. And a 2 years after your son take it cost me. That's why I bring it on the internet. So when you come twist it, if your son stepping on something on the ground, in stepping on the ground, when you left it same place, come, I never go see it on the ground. Because I didn't put it on the ground. You know, I see my hairstyle and I just go and look now. Lord, pretty girl. No, them.
So guys, you can slow the video down or pause the video to pausing will be better. You can pause the video if you wish to read the comments of what some of the people are saying, or you could just go fast forward to the next clip. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Business people, let's go. When me I get married, me I see period for 2 weeks straight. That all the man here. Me so hyperactive. I was just say, Mom, what you doing in that big drawers? Take out that big drawers and Mr. Romeo see my period. I become a paranoid that day. But put on the panty chin and say, me no want on the panty chin when I look a thin blood pad. But a panty chin, me put it for. I'm arrested for the liquor. Take it out, can not in it, because if not in it, I go roll it up and put tissue over it. I'm going to take it off and rest it on the liquor. You know, the something where them have a Jamaica, the liquor grill, where them put in a bathroom. I rest it there. I'm going to sit up on the toilet, do it, say something to me, I'm going to run out to him and left to stop me in there. And you dirty woman will say you're clean and decent. Could you call me as a mother-in-law? I say crazy. Be careful. Eh? When you take picture with my dirty father, I have said to the family or the friend. And then I complain to my man. How much years ago that lady? 4 years ago that lady. You understand me? So when me tell you, fuck your son, lady.
All that wickedness what you do me. And I road me road, I have enough. God say I know I'm not go mad. I'm glad them left me, see. I train and know. I'm just glad every time I beg God. I say, God, don't let me go on the internet, go call them name. But it not happen, so. The pod heard me. The way the youth said to me, me here do a long time too. We just could have just walk away, so. Cause it's not easy. Mommy, remember, video my pod. Cause I don't want to be petty. I don't want to get up evidence when I did it like me. I want nasty, dirty woman when I meet in a dirty blood clot house. You gotta say me be a 3 and 4 time. Yeah, me and your son make sense, so? Me always talk, so me be all 10 time. So stink me can be so. How stink? Me not even feel bad about the stink part. Cause you know you're not stink Queenie. But really, as a young man, and that you sit down with a decent friend them, and a scan me, and that appropriate for your son do as a young man, that appropriate for your Batman son with their Jamaica will do is a Batman will do is a fuck the teacher. That appropriate for your Batman son with their Jamaica video me with 8 blood clam me video me pad will do is a man the teacher fuck. The teacher man. Yeah, come to internet and a computer eyeglass. And your son tell me come down. I want to for blood clot come down when you come see me upon this. I want to tell for come down. You have an eyeglass and mag upon blood clot internet. Where you want to blog now? Dirty woman. You never have the decency of the vice where you come and impress the nation. Or greater for mom you is that you defend your son. How? When you have the 2 boy in Jamaica live like back and belly blood clot rat. Right now the 2 of them want to kill them one another the same way. Cause do I show say Romario can and that's appropriate for your son do as a young man. That's appropriate for your Batman son of their Jamaica will do is a Batman will do is a fuck the teacher. That appropriate for your Batman son with their Jamaica video me with 8 blood clam video me pad. What do we say man the teacher fuck? The teacher man? Yeah, come to internet and a computer eyeglass and your son tell me come down. I want for blood clot come down when you come see me upon this. I want to tell for come down. You have an eyeglass and mag upon blood clot internet. Where you want to blog now? Dirty woman. You never have the decency of the vice where you come and impress the nation. Or greater for mom you is that you defend your son. How? When you have the 2 boy in Jamaica live like back and belly blood clot rat. Right now the 2 of them want to kill them one another the same way. Cause do I show say him have house and Romario can't come to America and him tell him mother say him for still file film no matter what. And when you can't chat to blood clot me, same like when I fight for the house, and son I fight do you fight him brother for the house. And the brother put him out of the house December. Where him rent. Because him say him associate with gunman. And the moment have to move you to your brother and you can't chat to blood clots me. And I lie me I tell. Him did a hype over the house where him left my far. And sabotage my one. You're gonna get your one pussy wall. Do it. Hey, Romario can I tell mama if you still help file film still. You eat your blood clot brother cause him get visa before you. You saw him go find him carry one slippers come get and take back the slippers. And when him used to go find him not carry nothing come give you. And me come in your life and take care of you. And you want to destroy me? Everything I remember about you and your brother and your family, me gonna talk about my family them. Cause me don't care zero about blood clot them. But you care zero about yours. I could have cared fucking less about none of my blood clot family. Any one of them chat them deserve the chatting. But did you deserve to talk all the way your families? What you say about your family? You can't come mix up with man. You can't come go to Cutie. My friend Cutie love me from a hole in the blood clot wall and can't talk. And she miss blood clot me while she tear me down so. But you read between the line. If Cutie never blood clot rate me deep into the record, yo. I'll when try use it for mock me. Show the world the son of a bitch you are. Big up, come, and clap, come. Me that peace. When you make people look like me frightened over your cocky and me a madam, and the boy can't even stay up and pussy long. Him for glad same have waistline can go to the left and give 2 little ass clad, good fuck. Nothing to the boy. Nothing. You hear me ask him if me ever give him back to wash it. Me never lick do it but I'm yet. Doing a good sir. You know some boy will get you in that business to blood clot where am I gonna do to ass clot, you just in the moments. No moments not that if you do with slam bam thank you madam. Move your dirty blood clot. And hold your blood clot can a little boy. And go wash your blood clot fractal Miss Jane. Twin pussy cow. Panty poodle doing. Me not ready for blood clot yet because you have what it more today. Remember you have one girl by your phone where you say your sister. And the man where dead I am your father. And you want to catch DNA because the man look like your father. And that's why your father not paying no mind because your mother gave to 2 men. And the 2 men them look like your mother is a whore. Me never have for the rigor my dad for none of my blood clot pit them have 5 pit them have for 1 man. You're done your mother. So if me come and diss your mother, how the fuck you walk and tell people if me not hear you deal with your mother? You lead me to that. I tried not to disrespect your mother. I mean, never decide to her face. You record me, I send them to her. And when you piss me off, I'm a company internet come down her. Yo, eat your mother, your mama, eat your no one come fabricate story for me. Me not dead. I might not remember them today. Me and him them yard and the teacher man a come with one buckler drink with him and brother. And him say, see that fuck them I go lock up and fuck. One wicked corrupted youth. What me say him say? Him brother and the teacher man are gonna lock up and fuck and the man have a backlog drinking him and don't blood clot test me. Send all what you want send to Cutie. Cause I'm big and pure and real. If them catch me and damn shit, me I gonna put up my hand to that. Cause from my mouth and damn shit. Can you do that? You're not real. And you gonna perish by the hands of the Almighty. Everything what you do, I declare them back in the name of Jesus and return to sender. Every weapon where you want to farm against me, I return them to sender in the mighty name of Jesus. Doing Andre Scarlett, me now like no can go feel. A God am my can go. Me no walk over. Me no do what? Me no walk over. Yo, tell me said Shisha and the whole of our family them down a pain land.